Walgreens, if you saw my first video, that Dove coupon that said $5.99 was available online, I did not get it to my account. Comment below if you guys got it, because I'm really curious. Why would the flyer say that it's available online and then nobody gets it online? So yeah, comment down below if you got it. Maybe it's just me. So since that deal didn't work out, I came up with a new one. I figured I'll do it in the store for you guys to make sure that it actually works the way I plan it to work. So keep your fingers crossed and let's see if it works out for me. Alright you guys, so this is everything that I got today at Walgreens. Walgreens was a complete mess with their system. But first off, let's start with those 2 paper towels in the back. If you guys know, it is $5 normally, and they have a IBC booklet coupon for $1.25 off. Plus they gave us a $2 coupon when you buy 2. Well, that coupon today at least was not attaching to the toilet paper, but it did attach to these paper towels here. So instead of getting a paper towel and a toilet paper, I just got 2 paper towels because it attached, and that deal worked. The Colgate, that was $3.99 I believe, and when you buy 2 you're supposed to get back 4,000 points, and there is a digital coupon of $3 off or something of that nature. Yeah, $3 off when you buy 2. That did not attach either. The only one that was attaching when I was scanning today in the store was the $1 off of 1, or $1 off. Yeah, that one was attaching, but I didn't want to do that deal because of the the proper coupon was not attaching. So I ended up just kind of winging it when I was in there today, and I made this deal up. Sorry you guys, that's my son in the background. I made this deal up. Hold on, he called somebody. Okay, I'm back. So yes, so if you guys know, the all was on sale or is on sale for $2.99. So I got some pods. Look out for the 19 count because there is a smaller count out there for the same price. Like this one here, I think this one's a smaller count. This one is 16. If you guys see, yeah, it's 16, and they have for $2.99, and then they have the 19 pack for $2.99, and then they have these. The liquid also for $2.99. If you're wondering how I was able to get so many of the same products and still use coupons, it's because the coupons were all kind of different. I had 3 digital coupons and then I had 2 paper coupons. So let's go over so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So here is the receipt here, if it'll focus. There you go, for $2.99 for the all, $2.99, $2.99. And then the all free and clear, that's these pods here. I got 2 of those for $5.98. And then the Scott paper towels. So yeah, these are the coupons that I used here. Oh yeah, and I was able to use spend 20 get 5,000 points back. That's the whole reason why I ended up just doing this deal, because the out of pocket was a bit high, but after I got the points back, it kind of made it more reasonable. But if you see here, it's $1.50 off of one. For the Ultra, that's the blue bottle, and then there's $1.50 off for the white one. Those are considered 2 separate coupons. Then there's the Scott $2 off coupon. Then there's the All Ultra, again, that's the blue one, for $2 off of one. And then the free and clear is $1.50 and then $1. So if you look, they're different amounts, and then they're also different products. So that's how it was able to come up with that. And then even though I only paid $11.94, I still was able to get my 5,000 points for my point booster here. Here it is. I was able to get the 5,000 points for the point booster because technically I did pay $20, or because the coupons count as money out of my pocket. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then add up those 50 cents. That's 8, that's 9. That's $9.50 plus the $11. So $9.50 plus 11, that is what? $20.50, and then the 94 cents, so about $21 and some change. So that's why I was able to get that 5,000 points. After the 5,000 points is added, that's about like $6 and change that I paid out of pocket for all of these alls. Oh, and I did get a light. One of my light bulbs blew in the bathroom, so I needed a new light bulb to replace it. So I went ahead and grabbed that. So yeah, that's my haul for today at Walgreens. Hopefully when you guys go, their system will be working better. I'm gonna try again with another account, maybe later on this week, and hopefully they work properly, and I'll try to do that Colgate deal while the deal is still available on Ibotta. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with that Dove coupon. If you guys know anything about it, why we never got that $5.99. I was really looking forward to that Dove coupon. I wanted to buy some Dove. But sorry. But yeah, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for hanging with me. Bye.